Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping by. Welcome to This, That, and More. My name is Jackie. I hope that you are having a blessed day. Happy Sunday. Today's video is part of my Hello Spring series, and I will be cleaning today my dining room. I will be also decorating for the spring using Hobby Lobby Spring Collection item. So if this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I would love to have you part of my YouTube channel family. And if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. I hope that this video will inspire you on how to decorate for the spring, or just to even motivate you to clean for the spring. So hope you have a blessed Sunday. Keep on watching, and we will talk in a little bit. As you can see, I am starting to get hot, and I end up picking up my hair in a few minutes because I I tend to get really hot, especially when I'm cleaning. I honestly don't know how I see all these YouTubers have their makeup done, they're dressed very nice, and they're cleaning their home, they're decorating their home. And to me, I have trouble being dressed up in my home, like if I'm gonna be outside and having my makeup full blast on and having to clean and decorate. I cannot do it. So you see, I already picked up my hair, and I was like, well, I'm always on comfortable clothes when I'm doing these videos. So I hope that you guys don't mind that, because I am just not that type of person to have makeup on and at home, or be like, you know, full like dressed like if I'm outside, you know, hanging out. I tend to wear comfortable home clothes, and when I go out, then I do my makeup, and I dress up nice, but not to be in the house, and definitely not to be cleaning, because I get really hot really quick. So that is why you see a quick difference in my hair, and that's just me. So the room that is behind where I am actually cleaning these glass door, it is an enclosed patio, but I am using it as my office. Right now it is disorganized, so you see a lot of things that are in those chairs that need to be put into place, and it needs to be organized and clean. So I know it's a bit of an eyesore, so I apologize in advance, because as you're watching me clean, it can be distracting. But please don't let it distract you. Just focus on the dining room area and the cleaning part and the decorating, so that it doesn't bother you. If I know it can be a trigger if you have OCD or seem that it's messy back there, but definitely just ignore it for now, and that will get done next week, so no need to worry. But for now, just enjoy this video of the dining room area. So I picked up this table runner in Hobby Lobby from their spring collection. I fell in love with this table runner because of its simplicity, but of the color. It gives me that farmhouse feel, and it gives me that very natural look. And I was so in love with it that I had to take it. Originally it was $29.99, but it was 40% off, so it came out to be like $17 or $18.99. But I fell in love with it the moment I saw it. At the time I did this shopping haul, they didn't have a lot of things for the spring that interest me, but this particular item did, so I grabbed it because I loved it. Another favorite find that I got in this Hobby Lobby was this vase, and my husband actually tells me to show it to you guys in person. Oh, not in person, but up close. And the camera does no justice. The color of this vase is so beautiful. It's so clear and crisp. It's like a teal green, mint green. It kind of gives me mint green vibe, but it is so beautiful. And I don't remember the price. I will put it in the description box below once I look at the receipt. But I know that this was considered a tabletop, and it was 50% off because they, at the time I purchased these items, they had their table decor at 50% off, and so I got it half price. But I will put the description in the description box. I will put the actual price below. And then I got these beautiful flowers from Hobby Lobby also, and I realized quickly how low my chandelier was, and I realized that it was too tall, so I had to play around with it and trying to find a way for it to fit and still look pretty without it like overpassing the chandelier. I love the way this looks. It just turned out beautiful. The way the green vase goes with the table runner and the flowers, even like the way the welcome sign comes through the flowers. I just love the whole look put together, and it is my favorite decor of the house right now. So these two picture frames that I'm about to put on the wall are so beautiful, and they are going to tie everything together. The look and the vision that I had. They are muted green, it matches just like the teal mint vase, so everything ties in together. But these picture frame, actually I had been wanting to purchase it a while back. I actually saw this, I'm not sure if it was in the summer or if it was in the autumn of last year, but I fell in love with it because of the simplicity again and the very muted greenery, and I felt like it was so pretty. But at that time it was not on sale, it was very expensive, and so I didn't purchase them. And then this time around I saw them at 50% off, and so I had no choice Well, I had a choice, but I had no choice but to grab them because this time around it was on sale and it was going with the decor and that I had. So I love the way they look. They're so beautiful. So if you're interested, check your Hobby Lobby because they are 50% off, and I think they're so pretty. It's just perfect for the spring. I was debating on what I was going to do on these shelves. I was thinking, should I take them off? Should I leave them there? Didn't know how to decorate them. I didn't have items to decorate for spring to put on the shelf. But I had these bunnies and flowers in my living room, and I said, you know what? Let me see how it will look in this shelf. And you guys, it blew my mind away. I actually like the way it looks better in the dining room. So it just brought this dining room decor to another level. The vibe that I'm getting here is like hello spring, and I am so happy the way that it turned out because it just looks so pretty. It just looks so floral and spring, and I don't know, it just gives me this peace and this tranquility vibe in my dining room right now, and I am loving everything about it. I also went ahead and added an owl to the table. This owl actually has been out since November. It's been transitioning from the holidays all the way to now to the spring. So it's just gonna stay there because it looks so cute. I'm not ready to say goodbye to him. And to end this decor, I added my favorite spring scent, which is hibiscus waterfall, and it's for the spring. And I am loving the turnout. You guys, look how pretty. This is my favorite spot of my home right now. Everything tied in together so beautifully. It's just giving me this peace and tranquility vibe, kind of even spa-ish, and it looks beautiful for the spring. I am so happy with the turnout. I hope that you guys like it. I hope that it motivates you and inspires you to decorate your home, to clean your home for the spring. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you like this video. Give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you in my next video.